Gently lift your pubic bone so that you're sitting in neutral, that your waist is elongated so that you can take a nice big balloon breath, abdomen and rib cage expanding throughout the entire stretch routine, which your back and pelvis will love. So try to keep the pubic bone lifted as you walk out on the ball so that your head is supported. And then you can either hold onto the ball or the floor with your hands. Once your feet are planted, keep them there and straighten your knees. Allow the arms to rest wherever is comfortable. If you want to hold on to the floor, that's fine. But lifting the pubic bone slightly, expand while you breathe. You can bend the knees if it's too much stretch on your back. Play with the arms over your head, out to the side. Using the exhale to sink and conform. Give your body permission to sink and conform in and around the ball. Gentle knees. You can have traction on your feet. Shoes is fine. Arms wherever is comfortable. Inhale, expand the rib cage. Exhale, soften the rib cage. Breathe and sink. The front of your body will love this stretch. You can change how much stretch you get in the front body based on how straight your knees are. To come back, you're going to allow your knees to be bent, and in one foul swoop while supporting your neck, exhale while walking the feet back. Quick, quick, quick. Come back to center. So again, to pay attention, hands behind the head. Slowly walk up while lifting. You have to be kind of fast about it. You're allowed to use momentum on this. Okay, so now to stretch the side body. Again, really important. A lot of us tend to chest grip, tension, and just chest breathe. So this is a great way to really help improve the diaphragmatic breathing, which is so great for posture health and imperative for core coordination. So straightening one leg or both legs, hitching your hip into the ball, pushing far enough that your hand or fingertips are touching the floor. You're lifting your pubic bone slightly and not allowing your body to rotate forward. So you're going to kind of have to tell your rib cage and your hip bone to roll back a little bit while staying hips and shoulders over each other. Again, inhale, expand ribs to the ceiling, belly forward. Exhale, sink and conform around the ball. So you can have straight legs here, one leg behind or in front. Again, it's all based on your balance and your ability to focus on the breath. Arm overhead, arm behind, looking slightly up under your armpit. Feel free to move the arm with the breath. Inhale overhead, exhale forward or backward. Bringing the hand down so that you can use the floor for balance to come back. Now we're going to come into a little bit of a frog stretch if you want, before going to the other side. So frog position, knees and hips wide to accommodate the ball, the balls of the feet on the floor, hands in front, and you're just going to rock back and forth between the balls of the feet and the hands. Inhale, big belly into the ball. Exhale, really sink and allow your back to relax as you can form around the ball in this direction now. So this is such a great routine because you're getting all four sides of your container. So front stretch, back stretch, and now we'll complete the two sides stretch. Hitch the hip against the ball, knee bent to start, pushing up over so that your fingertips reach the floor. And then go ahead and bring the arm up overhead. Feel free to keep messing with the ball so that you feel as supported as possible. Either bent knee, one bent knee, or two straight legs. Arms up overhead. And then once you find the right position, inhale, big ribs, one into the ball, the other up to the ceiling, and exhale, really feel the sink into the ball. Inhaling also, big belly and back belly expands as you exhale and sink, conforming ever deeper into the ball. Bring the arm back, feeling that stretch, lifting that pubic bone slightly, especially as you rotate. If you feel any back pain, lift that pubic bone a little bit because your back might be arching to accommodate the tension in your side body. Your obliques, your lats, even your transverse and rectus abdominis muscles. Just breathe and sink and enjoy. Don't feel that you have to match my range with your arm, your shoulder. Listen to your body. Come back forward again. Give yourself a chance to rock and breathe and sink into our frog stretch. Tell your head to relax because often we want to keep it lifted. Relaxing the neck can really help on our nervous system sink, release, which is really what drives our bowel and bladder and sexual function. Happy, healthy bladder and pelvis. So if you'd like, try a little deeper child stretch here. And then check in with how you feel. Great job. Keep it up.